So it's going to be another warm day tomorrow. We do have time for you to vote tomorrow with some warm weather around. If you want to get out there, it's going to be at least as warm as it was today, well into the 80s. Some places maybe around 90 degrees. There is a weak cold front coming through early Wednesday. Not a big drop in temperatures, but temperatures probably still in the 80s for highs on Wednesday, but it will start to dry out the air. We start to feel the cool air more by later Wednesday night, but it could be rather windy on Wednesday. I think we'll see some gusty winds during the afternoon once the front passes. Only a small chance for a couple showers late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Maybe a small chance for a thunderstorm when the front passes, but for most of you, it's probably going to be pretty dry. If you look out your window right now, you see some high clouds coming through, but no rain with these clouds. They're too high and too thin coming through. This is a live view from Sky 5 in Weslaco, so you'll probably see these clouds around most of this evening. May see a few thicker clouds later tonight and some patchy fog if the winds die off, but still near 80 degrees right now. And temperatures in the upper valley still well into the 80s, 84 in McAllen, 89 in Rio Grande City, 70s the closer you get toward the coast, but with all this warm air around and a breeze, it's not going to cool very quickly this evening. Not a lot of gusty winds, but the sustained wind speed still around 20 miles per hour in spots. So if you are out for a little walk or run this evening, still going to be a pretty good breeze blowing early in the evening. I think it will start to fade away more, especially toward midnight and later. It should be much lighter toward tomorrow morning. Now, Super Tuesday tomorrow, if you are planning to go vote, you can go check out any time. It's going to be coolest in the morning. 74 8 a.m. if you want to punch that time for your favorite. 85 at noon and partly sunny skies. By later in the afternoon, 4 p.m., still in the mid to upper 80s, 86 for an average temperature, but some areas by then might even be close to 90 degrees in Starr County. And by 7 p.m., about the time the polls are closing, still around 82 degrees. Dry weather should be likely most of the day. There is a small chance for maybe a light rain shower, mainly in the evening hours, but if the clouds do get thick in the morning with some fog, you might see a little bit of that drizzly stuff briefly in a couple spots near sunrise. But I think tomorrow overall is a warm and dry day. Mid to upper 80s in most areas in the afternoon for highs. Not a lot of wind around, but a light breeze. Near 90 degrees for a high over Starr County, and then temperatures will cool off a little bit after that later Wednesday and Thursday. But our rain chances, like I said, are pretty small. If you're still looking for rain, you might be looking. We didn't see an option to vote for rain on that ballot. But if you could vote for rain, your best chance of seeing it would be Tuesday night, and even then it's a small chance. About a 20% chance for rain, mainly centered around late Tuesday evening and night as the front gets closer. Should move through by Wednesday morning with a small chance for a shower. Then it's dry after that all the way Thursday through the upcoming weekend, it looks like. Future track now overnight does show the clouds thickening late tonight. Again, maybe some fog if the winds die off enough in some spots late tonight near sunrise, but any fog should quickly dissipate tomorrow around 9 or 10 a.m. at the latest, and then we're back into clouds breaking up into more of a partly sunny afternoon. And then late tomorrow night, there could be a couple showers in the area. The best chance for rain is well to the north of the valley tomorrow night, but as the front gets closer and then finally moves through around sunrise or so on Wednesday and clears the area by lunchtime, there could be 1 or 2 showers early in the morning. But still, as you saw, the rain chances are very small, and rainfall amounts overall look very light. It's just a small chance it might be a shower, maybe even a small threat of a weak thunderstorm Tuesday night. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather 70 forecast. Warm tomorrow. Still pretty warm on Wednesday, but getting less humid and the winds picking up from the north and northwest as that front passes. Highs in the 80s on Wednesday. Drops into the 70s. Really good looking weather with not too much wind Thursday and Friday. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. And then a slight warming trend over the weekend. If there is another small shower chance, we're talking maybe Monday with another storm system passing to our north. But again, these rain chances are very small, but we do have some slightly cooler weather around through the start of the weekend. We'll keep tracking it coming up later this hour. Oscar?